In this video, we will understand nuclear force. As we know, the nucleus of an atom contains protons and neutrons, while electrons revolve in its orbit. Electrons carry a negative charge, whereas the nucleus carries a positive charge. Due to this charge, there is an attraction between the electrons and the nucleus, which is known as Coulomb force. In the nucleus, protons have a positive charge and neutrons have no charge. Since protons carry a positive charge, they repel each other. But we know that, despite the repulsion between protons, they remain bound within the nucleus. To hold the protons together in the nucleus, nuclear binding energy works. This binding energy creates a force field within the nucleus that is stronger than the repulsive force between protons. This force is extremely strong and binds both neutrons and protons within the nucleus. We call this force the nuclear force. Let's understand some characteristics of nuclear force. Nuclear force acts over a very short range. Its strength is effective only up to a few Fermi distance. It is not possible to determine the exact variation of nuclear force with distance, but the following observations can be understood from the graph. First, beyond a distance of 10 Fermi distance, nuclear force becomes negligible. Second, when the distance between nucleons decreases, the nuclear force of attraction increases rapidly. Third, when the distance between nucleons becomes very small, the nuclear force becomes repulsive. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.